Hey guys, welcome to It is Tennessee. Today I'll be baking a cake and I do hope that you enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Let's get right into this video. These are some of the ingredients that I'll be using today to make my cake. Here we have some fresh eggs, some cherries, some icing to icing the cake, and then I have 2 packs of red velvet mixed powder here, my flour, my mixer machine stencils, and the dish that I'll be using. Alright guys, so I have my dish here, so I'm going to go ahead and pull a parcel. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is the powder. So
moments later, one eternity later.
Alright, let me just grab some scissors because let's see. Alright, so I'm just going to use this little knife there to assist. This is what happens when you have a meeting. But apart from the issues, let's get right into it. So I'm pretty much excited to see the outcome of the cake, and to taste it. Alright, so I'm grabbing some water to get it poured into the mixture here. Once I add my water, I'm going to add my oil and some eggs, and let's get it whipping. Alright, so we're just going to use a little sip of oil here. Let it dip off the vegetable oil. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add some eggs. These are my favorite size to actually make eggs. Alright, so some of you may know, if you want to like extend, the mixture or whatsoever, you can always go ahead and add flour. Based on the mixture here, the mixture looks thick, so there's no need to add the flour. So I'm just going to put that aside because the mixture here is pretty thick. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this whipped up. So now I'm just adding some cherries in it.